discussion round, I guess it is a common fear of everyone, and many companies prefer this as a major elimination round. And we generally don't know how to handle a fish market situation. So, what should we do to get through this, and what kind of topics do companies prefer in GDs?
Okay. First of all, can anyone tell me what is group discussion? Any guy? I'm just not asking to me. Anyone? You guys don't know what is group discussion?
Yeah. So basically, what a GD looks like is you are given a topic or a problem, and the panel members like discuss upon it, and at the end, like they come up with a solution or come up with a summary of what they have discussed. Actually, the flows goes this way.
Okay. See, once you told me format of GD, I just simply ask what you can tell me with two words, that is group and discussion. Don't relate it with placement or interview and all. Just forget it. Simply just group and discussion. Just tell me. It's not like that there is some, you are doing something different. Group discussion you will do in your day-to-day life. If you are sitting with your friends, you won't have any discussion. कभी प्लान नहीं किया कि हाँ गोवा चलेंगे? Wasn't it a group discussion? Why we are taking group discussion in a different way when people will sit and judge that yes, this guy, this is a marking sector and all, this is a marking and we will mark you according to your performance. Then we will start thinking, yaar, ab to mark hoga. We should try something new so that we can get acknowledged by that guy. No, what I personally believe is just be normal. You have been through, humans are social animal. You cannot live alone. For that, you need to discuss with people. Everywhere you will, throughout your life, everything you discuss, that's a part of your group discussion. But the only problem which we feel is that when someone will sit and judge you, then will start behaving abnormally. Will start creating, will start try to do something so that they can, is bande with them and all. It's not compulsory, trust me. Just be normal. That guy who is sitting there now, he just totally know कि कौन उसको impress करने के लिए कर रहा है and who is genuine. Just be normal. Starting only, if you have courage, just speak. That will show your leadership if you have courage. Because in the starting of the GD, if you will speak now, you will fetch marks. Trust me. That's a point everyone know. Everyone knows that yes, अगर start में बोला तो मिलेगा marks. But they don't have enough courage to speak. So you should have a courage to speak rather than just कुछ भी बोल दिया, yeah, I am Aditya Singh Chauhan and all. No, you just have courage to speak. At the same time, just channelize your thoughts in such a way that you should present it in a good manner. First thing, you have leadership skills. They will get to know. Second thing, they will get to know that yeah, your mind is logical. You're speaking logical, and at the same time, you are putting your words in a wonderful way so that they can understand. So these are the things which you will not understand until and unless you will do. Next, throughout your process, suppose that GD, suppose you will give me any, suppose you will give me any topic, and you will ask me to speak. Then I will start the group discussion. I mean, throughout this college internship or placement process, I sat for what? First one is ISWPL, then SARC or student TMP coordinator. Then last one was ITC. 4 GDs. Okay. Before that, I told you that I prepared for ND and all. So there you will give enough number of GDs. So you will have those fear. You will those fear will get out easily. You will have confidence and other stuff. You will definitely know. But if you have not given any kind of GD till now, what you can do is just try to formulate these things in your mind, because behavior, this is one of the important aspect in GD. Suppose I said any point regarding any topic that yeah, this is what I personally believe, but some other guy, he came with another perspective of that GD, of that topic. And if I have ego or whatever you will call it, if I cannot listen other people, then I will suddenly start to shout. Then at that moment, it's not you are what you are trying to do, but this is true. You will start doing this stuff, and you will not know कि तुम्हारा हुआ क्यों नहीं. You will say कि यार मैंने बहुत बोला. See, there is a difference between GD and lecture. GD is a group discussion. That means you will have a topic, you need to work, and you need to come to the conclusion of that problem. Lecture is what right now I am doing. This is some kind of one-way explanation and all. So in GD, try to with team, try to work with your team, try to solve the problem that you gave, and then just be normal. Don't ego पे नहीं लेना. Don't let it on your ego that yeah मेरा उसने मेरे statement को काट दिया कैसे. If you have that thing in your mind, just try to come up with other statement which is more logical and which is contradicting. I mean, not contradicting this is which is proving him wrong. Then at that point, the HR or technical guy, he will note down those stuff that yes, that guy took it in a positive way, his failure, and try to come up again with some another aspect of it. So these are the things you will not know. If you open it on YouTube and ask, he will tell you just start the GD, not why. He will tell you just try to speak maximum, not why. He will tell you try to end the GD, not why. Before doing anything, you should know why you are doing that. Then only you can, get 100% from that thing. If you, whatever you are doing, the efficiency will be 100%. So starting you do if you have courage. Otherwise, just be calm. Then just give your points, logical points. अगर कोई और argue कर रहा है, just come up with another point so that you can argue him again, but with a polite manner. It's not like that कि तुम्हारे बातों को काट दिया तो you will just start shouting and how dare you and all. So I have seen people who will start in such a tone. So it's not a good thing, right? Then at the end, if you have enough time and the HR will tell you, please try to conclude. Everyone will start concluding. Yeah, I'd like to conclude. If you are the first guy, if you started to conclude, just don't conclude your point. This is the thing which I've experienced, that there are various people who will just try to put all those things, whatever he just spoke. It's not like that. Group discussion conclusion means if I said something which is relevant to that and everyone agrees, I should put that. If someone, other guy said something and everyone agrees, I should put that. Only my statement will be in that conclusion. Otherwise, तुम लोग जाओ यार, मैंने बोला, मैं अपना points रखूंगा. It's not like that. So the overall moral of this story is let's just behave normal. गोवा प्लान जब करते हैं तो सब गोवा के बारे में सोचते हैं. ये नहीं कि मैंने कितना बोला, उसने कितना बोला. They will not listen to this thing. They will not think of it. But जब GD की बात आती है कंपनीज में, they will start thinking कि मैंने 2 ही बार बोला, मैंने 3 ही बार बोला. It doesn't matter. What matters is what you said is relevant to that thing or not, or what is the way of saying that. That's 2 things that is matter. If you spoke one time also and you had given a good point, trust me that HR will you will clear that GD. So these are the things you will not. I mean, personally, this is an experience what I'm sharing. You should be calm and just team ke liye karna. There are people who will start making it a fist market that please listen to me, let other guys speak and all. These are so-called false leadership skills. I'd like to ask you one question. Suppose there is a fish market during your Goa trip only. Someone has a courage now. He will say, yeah, just keep quiet. Start one by one, right? This is what we will do in our normal day, in our normal discussion. But why aren't we doing the same thing in our GD? Why we are taking it? Yeah, this is a fish market. How do I need to? Should I go in? Yeah, you should. This is your group. The group is going in different direction. Being the leader, it doesn't mean that if I shine you that yeah, he is the group leader, then only you are a leader. Doesn't mean that. You are a group member, then only you can be a group leader. So if you are a good group leader, the motivation and the thinking of a good group leader is that the team or the goal which they are working for should be in proper line. If we are deviating from it, it's your responsibility that you should hold them back. Please, this is not what we are supposed to do. We should focus on this sector. Just be normal. Otherwise, aisa nahi. Listen to me. This is not where you are going. I've seen people. So try to avoid these things, but be normal. Just focus for a large cause. Yeah. Group discussion isn't just about, score karne kitne. Group discussion was group discussion. Focus for the group. Focus for what you are saying. Just try to respect others' feeling also and try to argue with them with some logical proof. And try to take group as a whole, not as an individual. And trust me, every GD, you will clear every GD because this is what I have experienced. And 4 GDs I told you, I have cleared every GD. Because I don't know why people will take GD in such a big manner that, yeah, GD hai kya hoga and all. Just be normal. And whatever you will do in GD, just normally karo, definitely you will sell through it. And the second question is, what are some frequent GD topics? See, there are 2 types of GD topics. One is what you call abstract topic, another is not different. Okay, abstract topic means that when HR don't have to ask you anything, he will say just simply black is white. You don't know anything. This is GD topic that I got. Black is white. So abstract means you don't have any prior knowledge of that topic, but if you can relate it to your life, what I am right now is wearing black. At the same time, this is white. So if you can relate it with your personal life, anything, you just need to speak. That is known as abstract topic. And trust me, most of the companies will give you abstract topic only, because other topics like technical technology and current topics and all these little bits everyone will know, but abstract, they will just, mind will be clear. What should I say now? But if your mind is open, you are calm, then only you can think. Otherwise you cannot think at that time in a pressure. So these qualities which I am saying now, no one will tell you that yeah, we are looking for pressure and all, people who can handle pressure. But if they will give an abstract topic and you will calm, you will try to think and just give some good points, not average point also, not good or average points also, then HR will notice that yes, this guy can think in a pressure time when you have pressure on. This is the most thing in our personal life, not only professional life. So overall, what I'm saying is that selection process or whatever placement process they are going through, it's not different from day to day like what we are doing. Apti and interview is a little bit different, but the selection process like GD and in Deloitte, they will call it as a flip tab. They will give you a topic for 1 or 2 minutes, 30 seconds, and they will tell you that please speak on that topic for 2 or 3 minutes. I'm not sure because I haven't given that, but this is what they will give you. So they will term it different. In GS, they will give you a topic, that they will give you a problem, and they will ask you, please solve it and try to explain me in logical way. So other different companies will try to do it in a different way, but everyone is looking for some of the core qualities that every individual should have: pressure handling, team management, leadership. These are the HR words, but you should think how these will inculcate you. Then only whatever you will do now and don'ts, as you mentioned, do's and don'ts. If you know the reason behind it, then only you will know what you won't do that. Otherwise, unknowingly you will do, and the result will same every time, and you'll say, "Yaar, GD clear hi nahi hota." One time you might be unlucky, but next time you won't. Every time you won't be unlucky, na? So this is my personal thing. And topics abstract mostly, and sometimes they will give you current affairs. So current affairs, you guys must be aware about those things. Very basic. ISWPL, they gave me Article 370. At that time, it was going on a peak. So Article 370, you must have little bit idea of being a young and dynamic citizen of the great country that is India. So you should know these things. Worldwide also you should know. So you won't have any problem in that current affairs and technology. And abstract is abstract for everyone. You need to think there only and speak. So I guess that's all.